For as low as 12,000 a month through Pag-ibig Financing ay pwede ka na maging townhouse owner with solar panel and rainwater tank dito sa Nai, Cavite. Meron itong lot area na 50 square meters at floor area na 43 square meters. Meron itong provision for 2 bedrooms, toilet and bath, carport, service area with dirty kitchen at di lang yan dahil meron itong solar panel at rainwater tank system na makakatulong sa iyo para makatipid sa electricity at water bill. At upon turnover ay meron na din itong anti-dengue screen doors and windows. May amenities na din gaya ng clubhouse, sports hub, swimming pool, at 24/7 secured and safe community. Maganda mag-invest sa Nai, Cavite dahil isang sakay lang ito from PITX. At alam mo din ba na dito magkakaroon ng Bataan Cavite Interlink Bridge at napakaraming road and road widening projects ang ginagawa sa buong Cavite. Kaya naman kung gusto mong magpa-schedule ng house viewing, pwede mo akong i-message sa phone number na nasa screen or mag-message ka via Viber or WhatsApp. Kaya naman,